Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make a pledge on the I Am Sober application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the today button down below, which is the second button, and after that you should tap on the make today's pledge button at the top. So tap on it, and here you can set the pledge for Wednesday, and then you should type in why I'm doing this. So tap on the I will stay sober today, and here you can see the sober start. So tap on this button and you will be able to share it on your social networking sites. So as you can see, you are already pledged today, as it says. So you are pledged, so you will be able to be pledged tomorrow as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.